In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files between folders in Dropbox. If your workspace feels a little cluttered, this quick walkthrough will help you tidy up by moving files to the right place using Google Chrome. I'll keep it simple, clear, and fast so you can get organized and get back to work. First, once you're viewing your files in Dropbox on Chrome, the quickest way to move a single file is to click, hold, and drag it. Grab the file with your mouse, drag it over the folder where you want it to live, and hover for a moment. When you see the folder highlight, just let go. That's it. The file moves instantly into that folder. This method is perfect when the destination folder is right in front of you and easy to spot. If the folder you need isn't visible or is tucked away, use the built-in Move option. Find the file you want to relocate, click the three dots next to its name, and choose Move. A window will pop up showing your folders. This view is great because it lays out your options clearly. If you realize the folder you want is in a different main area, click the back arrow at the top of the window to navigate up a level, then drill down to the exact folder you need. Once you've picked the spot, click the blue Move button to confirm. Your file will jump to that location right away. Now, if you're tackling a batch of files, you don't have to move them one by one. Select multiple items by clicking the check boxes to the left of each file you want to move. As you select them, you'll notice options appear at the top of your list. Click Move there, and you'll see the same folder window. Navigate to your target folder using the back arrow if needed, select it, and press the blue Move button. All selected files will move together, saving you a lot of time and clicks. A couple of quick tips as you go. If a file doesn't land where you expected, don't worry. You can repeat the same steps to move it again. And if you prefer seeing more folders at once, resize your browser window or use the Move option to navigate more precisely. That's all it takes. Drag and drop for the fastest moves, use the three dots, and move when you need to navigate, and select checkboxes to handle multiple files at once. Files moved, clutter gone, you're all set.